Hello, gentlemen. Mr. Novak here. As I explained on Monday, I'm not available due to the fact I'm at the hospital. So the instructions are, of course, today's double. We are doing the Fit for Life Prac, or if you have already done so, it's just a catch-up lesson. I'll talk about that as well. So for those who haven't done the Prac, and it's all at 9 max, for instance, simply go to down the bottom here, Fit for Life. Uh, Open up the file, which is a Word document, set up nicely for you because all you have to do is click on an area to add your text. And they're pretty straightforward, most of the text. The purpose of this exercise, of course, is given by the aim. Always make sure you know what the aim is because that will give you focus for the results, the discussion, and of course your conclusion. We always give you a bit of theory so that you can know what you can expect. Um, we need you to be able to get your heart rate. Now, you can get somebody else to do it for you in your family, or you could try yourself, or even better still, get a Fitbit. If you do it manually, there's the method you should be using, and you can do it just for 10 seconds and multiply by 6 or 15 seconds and multiply by 4 so that you get your heart rate. Um, to do this, you'll need to fill in this table, and it has three heart rates that we want to measure. They are your resting heart rate, that's when you're relaxed. This one is actually not what you're going to measure, you're going to calculate what your exercise heart rate range is. In other words, when you're doing exercises, if you are doing exercises, you should be between this set of values. And then we do the exercise. So all of those instructions, of course, are found in the method. So read the method carefully, follow the instructions. Okay, there's the three types. And we then simply fill in. So here we'll have two numbers. Um, what is an expected one for your age and what you actually have. You actually measure your heart rate. This one you do some calculations. It's based on what you can do at 50% rate and 75, which are halves and three quarters. And of course, the final one, you have to do some exercise, which is all good stuff for you. Then it's a case of continue on filling in the gaps and the discussion as well as your conclusion. And here's a great opportunity for you to show that you do use the skills taught in English, whereby you are doing some drafting on paper, checking your spelling, and then transfer across here. Once you're finished, you save that. You'll take that save file, which you save it to Google Drive, and then you'll just create your submission. Of course, you'll be able to drag it onto here, press the submit for assessment, and you've done this before, and I will mark it at the earliest. So if there's any questions, don't hesitate to email me. You have till midnight tonight, so if you do get stuck, email, and I'll try and get back to you on what, how I can help you. For the rest of the students who have done it, of course, it's a case of going to section 7.2 of your textbook. You can do the, let's have a look, class, science. We're doing basically some revision work. So 7.2, nervous control. We have the review questions. So there you are. So if you want to get a little bit of a head start, or if you haven't caught up already, do that. So it's a case of, again, um, doing the answers. So you can easily type in your answers there. So that's for today. During the double, keep yourself busy, but not too busy. Make sure you get that prac submitted and get some of these questions done. Have yourself a good day.